In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the opening balance in Zoho Books. Whether you're adjusting your financial records or simply made a mistake that needs rectification, deleting an opening balance is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. First, we'll navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the starting point for all the functions you'll perform within Zoho Books. Ensure you're logged into your account and have the correct organization selected if you manage multiple ones. On the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your financials and various options to manage your accounting. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Settings option. You'll find this in the menu, typically symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings will take you to the area where you can manage and customize various elements and configurations of your Zoho Books account. Having accessed the settings, we're now going to locate the Opening Balances section. This is an important function in Zoho Books because it allows you to set the initial financial position of your organization when you first start using the software. Clicking on this section will lead you to a detailed view of all the opening balances that have been logged for your accounts. Within the Opening Balances section, the next step is to look for the trash bin icon. This is the button you'll use to initiate the deletion of an opening balance. Generally, this icon is clearly displayed next to the opening balance entry you wish to remove. Make sure you're selecting the right entry, as this action cannot be undone. The trash bin button is a useful tool when you need to clean up or correct errors in your financial entries. Finally, after clicking on the trash bin icon, you'll see an option to delete. Clicking on delete will finalize the removal of that opening balance entry from your records. It's a simple click, but this is a crucial step to ensure your financial data is correctly represented. Once completed, the opening balance will be removed from your records in Zoho Books. Just a quick reminder before we wrap up, adjusting or deleting opening balances can have significant implications on your financial reports. So ensure that any deletions are double-checked and that the financial data you maintain is accurate and up-to-date. If you're in doubt or need clarity, consulting with an accounting professional can provide additional confidence that the actions you're taking are correct. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has been clear and helpful. Deleting an opening balance in Zoho Books is now something you can confidently perform. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback.